General Knowledge, Chapter number 7. What's that sign? In this chapter, we will understand about the traffic signals and what they mean. The first one, roundabout ahead. Roundabout sign indicates the driver that roads from several directions are due to merge up ahead. The driver are therefore mindful and have attentive to the traffic. Second one, pedestrian crossing prohibited. Prohibited for the people to cross this way. It means that the prohibition for the people to walk on this way and it is not safe. And it is punishable. Next, school ahead. This sign cautions the driver to either slow down or stop the vehicle and allow the pedestrian to cross the road. Falling rocks. The sign indicates falling a rock or there are fallen rocks on the way. It indicates that to slow down and drive carefully. This sign adapted to the conditions of the location. Slippery road ahead. The slippery way. The traffic symbols indicates that the road might be slipping or hazardous because of wet or rainy. So it indicates that motorists shall take care while driving slowly. Speed breakers or humps are the common name for a family of traffic. Calming devices that we vertically deflection to slow motor vehicles traffic in order to improve safety conditions. Next, steep descent. It indicates there is a steep road. A driver is given caution to put down the relevant gear to move on the way. Next, hairpin bend sign. It indicates that there are sharp turns, especially on hilly roads. This cautions you about a sharp right turn on the road and drivers should reduce speed to manage the road. No U-turn. It indicates though there is a road to turn to the opposite road, it is prohibited to take the U-turn and it is punishable. Dangerous dip ahead. This indicates that there is a dip on the road ahead and to take a diversion or manage the way to cross the dip and slow down the speed. Next, 50 indicates that vehicles to move to the maximum of 50 kilometers per hour or less than 50 kilometers per hour. Driving the greater than 50 kilometers per hour is punishable. One-way street indicates moving or allowing the movement on this road in one direction. Moving in the opposite direction is punishable.